A waterfall is a place where flowing water rapidly drops in elevation as it flows over a steep region or a cliff. Waterfalls occur when the river crosses a band of harder rock. In the Tees Valley, the hard rock is whinstone. The softer rock gets eroded more quickly by abrasion and hydraulic action. This makes a ledge. The erosion of the softer rock continues and undercuts the harder rock. The hollow bottom is called the plunge pool. It is full of bits of rock from above, so there's lots of abrasion. The force of the falling water means lots of hydraulic action as well. Eventually, the ledge will collapse. The process keeps going and the waterfall moves backwards. In front of it, it leaves a steep-sided gorge.